Music generation with artificial intelligence tools. Here in this video, we are going to learn about how the music is generated with the help of AI tools. There are several AI-based music generation tools and platforms available in the market developed by various companies and researchers. These tools often use techniques such as deep learning, neural networks, or generative models to create music autonomously or with human input. In AI-based music generation, there are several options available, including OpenAI's Jukebox, Google's Magneta project, and Meta's MusicGen. In this video, we are going to learn about how OpenAI's Jukebox and Google's Magneta will work. OpenAI's Jukebox. OpenAI's Jukebox is an AI-powered music generation system capable of producing music in various styles. Jukebox operates on a deep neural network architecture trained on a large dataset of music samples. Here's how Jukebox works. Dataset. Jukebox was trained on a vast dataset consisting of various music genres, styles, and artists. The dataset includes both instrumental and vocal music across different time periods and cultures. Neural network architecture. Jukebox utilizes a deep neural network architecture, specifically a variant of generative pre-trained transformer GPT model developed by OpenAI. This architecture allows the model to learn complex patterns and structures in music data and generate new music sequences. Generation process. When generating music, users can specify certain parameters such as genre, mood, and length. Based on these inputs, Jukebox neural network generates a new piece of music that aligns with the specified criteria. Second is quality and realism. Jukebox aims to produce music that sounds realistic and coherent. It can generate complete songs with vocals, including lyrics, in addition to instrumental tracks. Interactive use. While Jukebox can generate music autonomously, it also supports interactive use where users can guide the generation process by providing feedback or modifying certain aspects of the generated music. Jukebox has been showcased in various demonstrations, generating music in styles ranging from classical to pop, jazz to rock, and more. It represents a significant advancement in AI generated music and demonstrates the potential for AI to contribute creatively in the field of music composition and production. Google's Magneta project. Google's Magneta project is an open source research project focused on exploring the intersection of machine learning and creativity, particularly in the domain of music and art generation. This project is part of Google's Brain team and aims to develop tools and models that enable AI systems to assist artists, musicians, and creators in their creative process. Key aspects of Magneta project include models and algorithms. Magneta develops machine learning models and algorithms specifically tailored for creative tasks such as music generation, image generation, and text generation. These models often leverage techniques such as deep learning and reinforcement learning. Music generation. Magneta's music generation models aim to create music autonomously or in collaboration with human musicians. The project has produced various tools and models for tasks such as melody generation, chord progression generation, and style transfer. Interactive interfaces. Magneta provides interactive tools and interfaces that allows users to experiment with AI generated content in real time. These interfaces enable users to provide feedback, adjust parameters, and guide the creative process. Open source. Magneta is an open source project, meaning that its code based models and datasets are freely available for researchers, developers, and artists to use and contribute to. Community engagement. Magenta fosters a community of researchers, artists, musicians, and developers interested in exploring the creative potential of AI. The project hosts workshops, events, and collaborations to facilitate knowledge sharing and innovation in the field. Overall, Google's Magenta project plays a significant role in advancing the field of AI driven creativity, particularly in music generation and artistic expression. It provides valuable resources and tools for researchers, artists, and enthusiasts interested in exploring the creative possibilities of AI technology. Meta's AudioCraft, generating high quality audio and music from text tool. AudioCraft is a single stop code base for all your generative audio needs, music, sound effects, and compression after training on raw audio signals. Meta has released controllable and high quality models for music and audio generation from text inputs. It represents significant progress in the development of interactive AI systems, enabling people to easily and naturally co create with AI model. Thank you.